Hi techies, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to turn off Copilot so you can focus on learning how to code yourself. Let's dive in. Can you see how it is writing the code for me? You can see. Okay, you can see. So I'm not writing anything and obviously I'm not learning. So let's fix this. Let's turn it off. First thing, you click on code. If you're using a Windows, you look for VSCode settings. Go to settings. Then you search for Copilot. Then under Copilot, this all item, asterisk means all. This all item is value is true. You set it to false. So with this, you are done. Let's test it out. Now let's delete our code. Then let's start all over again. You can see that we don't have Copilot again. And that is it. Copilot is now disabled. Once you are more confident in your coding skill, you can turn it back on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy coding. Bye.